After the age of 50, and especially after 60, the body undergoes changes that most people don't fully notice until they suddenly realize how weak they feel. Activities that once felt easy, like climbing stairs, lifting a bag of groceries, or even getting up from a chair, can feel much harder. This weakness is often blamed on just getting old, but in reality, one of the biggest culprits is a condition called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength that naturally happens with age. Research shows that adults can lose up to 8% of their muscle mass every decade after the age of 40, and this decline speeds up after 60. The consequences are serious: reduced mobility, high risk of falls, slower recovery from illness, and overall loss of independence. But here's the good news: muscle loss isn't something you have to accept passively. Nutrition plays a major role in reversing and slowing down sarcopenia. The right foods can give your muscles the building blocks they need to grow stronger, even in your 60 seconds, 70 seconds, and beyond. You don't need complicated supplements or expensive protein powders. Simple, natural foods can make all the difference. In this video, we'll look at 3 powerful science-backed foods that are proven to help rebuild muscle naturally: chickpeas, peas, and spirulina. Each one is packed with unique nutrients that support strength, energy, and resilience. Whether you're trying to stay active, reduce stiffness, or simply maintain independence as you age, these foods can help transform your health. Let's dive in with the first one. A humble yet mighty food you've probably eaten before, but never realized how powerful it really is: chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are small, beige-colored legumes that have been a staple food in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern diets for centuries. While they may look ordinary, they are one of the best foods you can add to your diet if you want to rebuild muscle strength as you age. First and foremost, chickpeas are an excellent source of plant-based protein. A 100-gram serving of cooked chickpeas provides around 9 grams of protein. For seniors, protein is essential because it directly supports the repair and growth of muscle tissue. Unlike animal protein, chickpeas also come with additional health benefits such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a more complete package. Chickpeas also shine when it comes to magnesium. With about 48 milligrams per 100 grams, magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions, supports nerve function, and prevents painful cramps or spasms. This mineral is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in keeping muscles relaxed and efficient. In older adults, magnesium also helps maintain bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. One of the most unique benefits of chickpeas is their leucine content. Leucine is an essential amino acid and a key trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Think of leucine as a switch that tells your body it's time to build muscle. As we age, our muscles become less responsive to protein, a phenomenon called anabolic resistance. This means we need more leucine-rich foods to stimulate muscle repair. Chickpeas naturally provide this, making them a muscle-building powerhouse. But chickpeas don't just help muscles, they also benefit overall health. Their fiber improves digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and keeps you feeling full longer. Their potassium content supports heart health, while their antioxidants fight inflammation, which often contributes to muscle weakness and joint pain in older adults. Incorporating chickpeas into your meals is simple. You can add them to salads, soups, curries, or even roast them as a crunchy snack. For those who enjoy spreads, hummus made from blended chickpeas, tahini, lemon, and garlic is a delicious way to include this legume in your diet. For best results, aim to eat about 150 grams of cooked chickpeas 3 to 4 times a week. Whether you choose canned or dried, chickpeas are affordable, versatile, and packed with muscle-protecting nutrients. 2 peas. Peas are another underrated food when it comes to muscle health. These small green spheres may look simple, but they are packed with nutrients that directly support strength, recovery, and endurance. One of the key benefits of peas is their protein content. A 100-gram serving provides about 5.4 grams of protein. While this is slightly less than chickpeas, peas make up for it with their amino acid profile, particularly lysine. Lysine is an essential amino acid that plays a vital role in collagen production. Collagen is not just about skin, it's also important for strong muscles, ligaments, and connective tissues. With age, collagen production naturally decreases, leading to weaker muscles and stiffer joints. Eating peas helps counter this decline. Peas also contain leucine, the same amino acid found in chickpeas, which directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. For seniors struggling with sarcopenia, eating foods high in leucine is like flipping the switch that tells your body to keep rebuilding muscle. Another strength of peas lies in their iron content. With about 1.5 milligrams of iron per 100 grams, they help deliver oxygen to the muscles through hemoglobin. Without enough iron, muscles fatigue faster, leading to weakness and reduced endurance. Iron from peas is plant-based, but when paired with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes or bell peppers, it becomes more absorbable. Peas are also a great source of dietary fiber, which not only helps digestion but also supports weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important because carrying excess body fat puts extra strain on muscles and joints, making mobility harder as we age. Beyond muscle health, peas contain antioxidants such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which fight inflammation. This is especially important for seniors who often deal with chronic low-grade inflammation, which contributes to joint pain and stiffness. In terms of cooking, peas are one of the most versatile foods. You can steam them as a side dish, toss them into stir-fries, mix them into soups and stews, or blend them into dips and spreads. You can even make pea protein smoothies, which are becoming increasingly popular as plant-based supplement. To get the most benefit, try to include peas at least 3 times a week in your meals. Whether fresh, frozen, or dried, they retain most of their nutritional value and provide a steady supply of muscle-boosting nutrients. Spirulina. Now, let's move to something a bit more unusual, but incredibly powerful spirulina. Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that has been called one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. It's so effective that even NASA has used it as a dietary supplement for astronauts. For seniors, spirulina offers a unique combination of protein, antioxidants, and minerals that directly support muscle health and energy. Spirulina is composed of over 70% protein by dry weight, making it one of the highest natural protein sources available. Just 1 tablespoon, about 7 grams, contains around 4 grams of protein, along with all 9 essential amino acids. This makes it a complete protein source, similar to meat or eggs, but entirely plant-based. For seniors who may struggle with digesting heavy meats, spirulina offers a lighter yet equally effective protein option. What makes spirulina stand out even more is its concentration of antioxidants, particularly phycocyanin. This compound gives spirulina its vibrant blue-green color and also reduces oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the main reasons muscles break down faster with age. By lowering oxidative damage, spirulina protects muscle cells, speeds up recovery after activity, and reduces soreness. Spirulina is also incredibly rich in iron. Just 7 grams can provide up to 11 milligrams of iron, which is almost 60% of the daily requirement for men and nearly 30% for women. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen to muscles, keeping you energized and preventing fatigue. Unlike synthetic iron supplements, spirulina's iron is gentle on the stomach and easily absorbed. Another benefit of spirulina is its ability to support the immune system. Seniors often experience weaker immunity, which can slow recovery from illness and indirectly contribute to muscle loss. Spirulina contains vitamins A, K, and several B vitamins that strengthen the immune response and keep energy levels stable. The taste of spirulina can be strong, often described as earthy or slightly sea-like, but there are easy ways to add it into your diet. You can mix a teaspoon into smoothies, juices, or even sprinkle it over soups and salad. For beginners, starting with small amounts around 3 grams per day is enough to see benefits. Over time, you can increase to 5-7 grams daily. For seniors looking for a natural nutrient-packed boost to muscle strength, spirulina is one of the best additions you can make to your diet. So, what have we learned? Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, doesn't have to define your later years. With the right nutrition, you can fight back, rebuild strength, and stay independent for as long as possible. 3 simple but powerful foods, chickpeas, peas, and spirulina, can make a tremendous difference. Chickpeas give you plant-based protein, magnesium, and leucine to rebuild and protect muscle tissue. Peas add another layer of support with lysine, iron, and anti-inflammatory compounds that improve endurance and recovery. Spirulina, the superfood algae, provides one of the highest concentrations of protein and antioxidants on the planet, plus iron for oxygen delivery and energy. Together, these foods form a muscle-building trio that not only strengthens your body but also supports digestion, immunity, and heart health. The best part, they are natural, affordable, and easy to incorporate into your meals. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines, just real food with real benefits. If you're over 50, it's never too late to start. By making small, consistent changes in your diet, you can protect your muscles, reduce the risk of falls, improve your mobility, and keep enjoying the activities you love. Now, here's what I want you to do. Pick one of these foods and add it to your next meal. Try chickpeas in a salad, peas in a soup, or a teaspoon of spirulina in your smoothie. Notice how your energy and strength change over time. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future health tips. And most importantly, share your thoughts in the comments. What food will you try first? Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and take control of your aging journey.